Hi, welcome back to the module strings. In that module, we will be studying about different string handling functions. So let's get started. Here is the list of some of the functions. C language provides a set of predefined functions called string handling function to work with string values. All these functions are defined in the string.h header file. So let me describe these functions. First is strlen function, which calculates the length of the function, means it returns the number of characters in a string. Then we have strrev, that is string reverse function. It reverses the string. Next we have strcat function, that is string concatenation. It appends string 2 to string 1, means it combines the two string into a single string. One more function is strcpy. It copies the string 2 to string 1. If you want to create the copies of two strings, you can use strcpy function. The next is string compare function. It compares the two strings. If they are equal, we will get 0, otherwise some positive or negative value depending on the comparison. This string compare function is case sensitive. If you don't want case sensitive, there is one more variation of string compare, that is strcmpi. It works same as this strcmp, but it is not a case sensitive. So we are going to implement some of these functions into a program. Let's write a C program to check whether the given string is palindrome or not. What is the meaning of palindrome string? A string is said to be palindrome if the reverse of the string is same as string. Let's consider one example. If I will read this string in the forward direction, I will get the same string if I read in the backward direction. Here are the some of the examples of the palindrome string. Let's implement some of the string handling functions to write this program. So here are the steps. First we have to read the string. Here you can see I have declared one character array to take the string. This string can hold total 20 characters. Using printf and scanf statement, I am taking the string. You can even use getS function. Let's consider the string madam. Now in the next step, we have to copy the string str to tmp. So let's use the string handling function strcpy. So when we will copy the str to temp, we will get temp equals to madam. Now in this third step, we have to reverse the string str. So to reverse the string, I am using strrev function. Now in the step 4, we have to compare the two strings. For that, one more function I am going to use, that is strcmp. If both the strings are equal, then the string is palindrome, otherwise the string is not a palindrome string. So here is the code. If both the strings are equal, then this strcmp function returns 0. If both the strings are equal, means that string is palindrome. If the strings are not equal, the control will come to the else part and we will get the message the string is not a palindrome. Save the file and click on build and run to check the output. You can see here the cursor is waiting for the input, so we have to enter the string. First let's try for the palindrome string. I am going to enter the same string. You can see here we are getting the message given string is palindrome. Now let's run the program once again and try for the string which is not palindrome. So I am going to enter some random string. You can see here we are getting the message the string is not a palindrome. So in this way we implemented some string related function to check the string is palindrome or not. Here is the challenge 7. We have to write a C program to find the occurrence of a character from a given string. Let's consider an example. Here you can see in this string program, the R is present 2 times. So the occurrence of a character of R equals to 2. Let me explain the steps in short. First we have to take a string and initialize one variable to 0. In the next step, read a character that we want to search in the string. Now we have to compare that character with the elements of the string. You can use here for loop. If the character match with the elements of the array, then the count will increment by 1. For each occurrence of the character, the count will be increasing. After all iterations of the loop, we will get the total occurrences of the character in the string, then we have to print it. Try it, I will be providing the solution. In this way, we have successfully completed the module string. See you in the next module, so keep learning, keep coding.